Let's see how to turn iPad back on after power off. In the first step, hold down the top button till you see the Apple logo. Next, wait a few moments for the display to turn on. Now, if does not work, press and hold for a longer time. In the next step, confirm if the battery has drained. After that, plug the iPad into a charger and let it sit for a while. Later, watch for the charging indicator to show up. In the next step, make sure the charger and cable are working correctly. Then use another cable or adapter to test. Then try connecting to a different power source. In the next step, see if the screen brightness is too dim. After that, change brightness by swiping from the top right corner. Then ask Siri to increase the brightness level. In the next step, link the iPad to a computer with a USB cable. Now launch Finder or iTunes to check if the device appears later. If detected off, follow the instructions shown on screen. You are good to go.